Well, hi everyone, and welcome to my little video. I've been living in Penrith for a number of years. I arrived in 1972, and it is a bit sad that we are losing Penrith Stadium as we know it, because I think with a lot of us who live in Penrith, it holds a lot of memories. Myself included. I remember taking my two boys to watch a few games years ago when they were very, very young, and they were just basically riding down the hill on cardboard paper rather than watching the games. They are now in their 40s and have children of their own. Unfortunately, one of my granddaughters follows south, but we won't mention that. But I thought I'd have a look and record the memories for those who enjoyed a lot of games for our champion team. But we really do have a champion team at the moment, with all those wins behind them. 4 years, wow. But anyway, here we go. Looking north at the moment, spinning around, looking at the north end. I've a lot of memories there on the hill, looking down to the games. A lot of excitement. Yeah, unfortunately, there are a few tractor tracks on the field at the moment. Here we go. Looking at the south end, Station Street in the background. A few names on the board there. I remember Greg Alexander playing those wonderful years. Oh well, I think enough of my voice. I hope you enjoyed and look back and enjoy a few memories. Okay then, bye.